When something is going to happen or is going to be completed before a specific time in the future, use the future perfect simple. The future perfect simple can be used with will or going to. In this video, we look at going to. I am going to have graduated by 2024. When something is going to happen before another action in the future, use the future perfect simple. Are you going to have learned enough French to get by before you move to Paris? How many countries are you going to have visited by the time you retire? Non-continuous verbs are used when we can't see the person doing the action. They don't use ing. Non-continuous verbs are used with the future perfect simple when we want to show that an action is going to continue until another one. I'm going to have worked in London for 5 years by the time I transfer to New York. Try to remember the structure of these examples and the reasons why we use them. Thanks for watching, everyone, and thanks for listening. Please remember to subscribe for notifications of new videos.